Hold the reason.
No!
Oh my God.
No!
Uy, maslide ha.
No way.
May kalamig. So cold. Ha? Tara na. Uy, hold me.
I made a smiley face.
Ang dali. So cold. Don't run kay.
Hold it forever.
Oh no.
Daddy!
Don't, grabe kalamig. Ay, grabe. Matt, don't run. You cannot make ano lagi.
Oh my
Ala. Frozen si. Dili. Grabe kalamig.
There's icicles on Blaze.
Dili.
Daddy, just open it from the inside.
Ay, grabe kalamig. Matt, put your hands in your ano pocket.
It's literally frozen.
Ow.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Go there na, kuya.
Oh.
Go there na, kaya. It's too cold.
Daddy, put it. Daddy. Yes, no, sir.
Oh, grabe kalamig.
Chill, Daddy.
Can you close it? Close it again, baby.
Ay, pakuasa.
Daddy, the water will melt it.
Hawa lang.
The water will melt it.
Grabe. Nag-ice ipakuan na sa niyo kay wala kayong makita sa gilid ron.
Can anybody
Ice
make a
ang
snowman?
ano.
Daddy.
Grabe ka ice.
Mommy, how can anybody make a snowman in this? Speed limit. Mommy, if we use it to the bathroom, are we gonna go past the speed limit?
Slide ang dalan. Hindi makita ang gilid. Guys. Gamay lang siya pero do asin ang snow. Nag-ice na sa dalan.